Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Today, we want to show you how to make an omelette. First thing first, you need some tool, of course. You need a wok, a spatula, a cutting board, a knife, a spoon, and a bowl. And also you need ingredients, a couple of eggs, leek, chili, a sausage, and the cooking oil, salt, and the last one, MSG. First thing first, you must prepare the bowl and then break the eggs. Next, you must chop the leeks, chilies, and the sauces. The second is chilies, and then some sauces. And then you must put the ingredients to the bowl. And then add a pinch of salt and some MSG as needed. After that, mix it until it gets even. And then put the mixed egg into the wok. After that, wait for a few minutes until it cooks to your liking. And finally, remove the omelette from the wok and place it on the plate. And we're done.